Jinan YIZHOU Laser Technology Company Limited was built in 2014, located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, north of China. We are professional manufacturer of laser machines and CNC knife cutting machine. In 2021, new factories start to put into use in Dezhou City. Until 2022, total have more than 90 employees and 8,000 square meters factory. Annual production reach up to 500 sets machines. Our main products are laser cutting machine, CNC knife cutting machine, focus on cutting soft materials. All products get CE certificate, widely used in leather industry, garment industry, package industry, shoes industry, furniture industry, automotive interior industry, etc. During 7 years, we have sell our machines to more than 30 countries and regions in the world and get the positive feedback from clients and market. All our machines are designed by ourselves, and we have more than 20 design and practical new type patents. Also, we do OEM and ODM service for client. All our machines are universal model and easily maintained and cost economic. We supply easy talking training and after-sale service via photos and clear videos. Clients quick understand one step by one step. Also, we supply professional technical person to our client when receive the machine. We think customer idea is our idea. Do our best to help customer to do cutting faster and easier. Quality first, service fast is our spirit. Welcome to be our dealer all over the world.